How to post a video on Steam. So first what you want to do is just simply open up your Steam app. Then once you're here, go to your profile by clicking here on the top right. Then click on view my profile. Then just go down till you see the videos here on the right side. Just simply click on that. And once you're here, you will see the link YouTube account. So once you click on that, it will bring you right here. And it says that share your finest gaming moments with your friends, upload amazing highlights, insightful reviews, helpful tutorials, and other game inspired greatness created by you. So once you connect your YouTube account on Steam, it will basically get all the videos on your YouTube, and you could basically share it with your Steam friends, and you could also select the videos that you want to add to your profile. Now, once that's done, just simply click on access your YouTube videos. And here you will need to sign in with your Steam account. So if this doesn't pop up or if Steam blocks your website or if Google says that Steam is blocked, you just simply need to open up your browser. Now, once you're on your browser, you just simply need to do the same process on what we did with the Steam desktop version. So just do the same process and you're good to go.